Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Kimrose brand 8-inch Damascus steel steak knife. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you what it looks like, we're going to demonstrate it, test it out, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this open, obviously have a simple instruction manual, very nice case, beautiful knife, comes well protected in kind of multiple formats. So first comes with a nice case, comes with its own little protection piece, and then it's got another couple pieces in here. So there's one little plastic on top of the plastic, and then of course you have your actual knife. So obviously very sharp, be very careful with this thing. Great looking cut design, sharp as heck, especially at the point. Great handle. Goes in nicely. Really nice looking knife. We're going to show you in a second how it cuts. But before we do that, I just want to explain, this is 67 layer Damascus steel. So really nice, solid knife. And as you can see, I'm hoping you can tell, there is some curvature to the blade. So it should be able to give you kind of the ability to kind of work very nicely. And again, we're going to demonstrate cutting up, I think, some chicken here to show you, but also maybe some vegetables. So we'll see. But I just want to show you this, how nice it looks. Great handle, great length. Before we get to it. So it gives a really nice clean cut, very easy. Just makes things very simple with a knife like this. So again, if you got a vegetable, a meat, whatever you're looking to cut, this makes it super, super easy. Really nice, strong, clean blade. So hopefully this helps you with your decision-making process. Totally worth buying to us. Thanks for watching.